Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to make your Notion aesthetic. To make your Notion page aesthetic, you can try these tips. Choose a pleasing color palette. Select complementary colors that match your style and create a harmonious visual experience. To do that, just click the three dots and click color and choose the color you want. You can also utilize cover images. Add cover image to your pages or section to make them visually appealing and representative of their content. To do that, just click the add cover and then change your cover image. You can also organize with icons. Use icons for headers and categorize to add visual clarity and make your page look more polished. Just click on the icon button and then choose your desired icon. You can also employ column and grid. Use columns or grids to structure your content neatly and make it easier to read and highlight important information. Use bold or colored text to emphasize key points and make them stand out. And that's how to make your Notion aesthetic. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.